East Hampton. I don't know, this one caught my eye. Yeah guys, here we are with the new Art Deco Gucci bag. That's why with my outfit it's so dangerous whenever you wear an outfit and then try on bags and it looks good. You're like, I kind of want this. This is a super mini Dionysus.
Buy a whole cake for $5.
We're gonna make our way to the Hamptons. Yeah, it's still raining in New York. We're hoping for better weather in the Hamptons because I really want to go for long beach walks. And look at my baby here. Isn't she beautiful? That's the weather again. Wasn't it beautiful? Just arrived in the Hamptons. Excuse my schlop look, but it's cold. It's 16 degrees.
It's a bit cold.
Yeah. And guys, if you haven't seen my unboxing video yet, go and check it out because it's great. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you the beach. We're staying in the Seacrest Hotel. This is like our little tradition. And oh, here's the beach. The waves are so wow. And this is what I mean, if you go after the season is over, you got an entire beach to yourself and you barely see any soul, right?
Beautiful.
We can't believe it, we haven't seen the sun in like 4 days. There it is for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Hi. We're just in Montauk and these are local oysters and here we got and what I've been waiting for, my lobster roll. And a beautiful morning in the Hamptons. The sun finally came out for us. Our first stop is Tutu Cafe. And look at all these little delicious trees. We are in East Hampton and I've already spilled coffee on my new dress. But it was not my fault. It was, what was it?
The cup was broken.
The cup was broken, so yeah. But literally, like I'm wearing this dress for like 20 minutes and an accident has already happened. The coffee's good, however. East Hampton actually has a lot of designer boutiques. I think we have a Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel here, everything you could wish for, but I think my husband needs pancakes first. We got a Louis Vuitton right here, we got a Gucci down there, we're just standing in front of Prada, Chanel is here as well, and there's Loewe. I'm so happy the sun came out. They got like a couple of these boutiques as well that have different kind of designer bags. So there we got Bottega, let's go in. They got like little Saint Laurent bag there. They've actually got a lot of choice of designer bags. Wow, they got Loewe, lots of Saint Laurent. This is all new, so oh, look at this little pink Saint Laurent. So here we are with the little Saint Laurent Barbie bag. By the way, I can show you my outfit of the day here in a second as well. But love the color, love the satin, and you can wear it as a double strap as well. So now I can properly show you my outfit of the day. Yes, my Ugg boots, because I didn't take anything else with me and I really needed them. It's just one piece, but it folds really nicely. Yeah, what do we think? I really like this one. This caught my eye as well. I love the color. I don't have a single Loewe bag yet. Really nice wicker bag. Let me know. And I think this is beautiful leather. This is wicker. And then you got beautiful leather straps. Oh, I didn't notice. This is not one of the typical Lulu bags. This is super special. This is the new Chanel boutique here in East Hampton. Unfortunately, they are only operating during the summer season.
We just missed it.
So we just missed it. They're closed, but hey ho, yeah, that's Chanel. Maybe next time, if we come earlier. Let's have a look into Prada and what they've got. I've seen a bag already that I really want to try on. Look at this one. I think I really like this. What else do they got? Okay, let's go in. Oh, I love how they mix like the canvas, the Prada canvas with the ostrich. Never seen something like this before. And this is all very Hamptons. I love it. Lots of wicker, lots of canvas pieces, very summery. You want to be a little bit more understated, black and white. So this one caught my eye while I was already walking past the window display. I don't know if I like it. It's like black and white ombre effect. It's super cool. I don't know. I don't have a Prada bag. I've never had a Prada bag. This is cool. It's just like chill, right? Yeah, this is the back. Love the stitching. It's a little bit like Himalayan, but regular leather. I love the look of this Prada shop. It's just so Hampton, so beachy. These are super cool as well. I mean, you can never go wrong with a little tote like this. Super cute. Which one do you prefer? Very beachy, all of this. Super cool. Okay, oh, they even got luggage pieces. Guys, just like Chanel, unfortunately. Even though my Google Maps said it should be open, Louis Vuitton is closed and they're only reopening in winter. Okay guys, let's go into Gucci. I'm super hyped. I'm looking forward to Gucci the most because it's such a beautiful boutique and it seems like they got the new bags in. Look at this, the horsebit bags, and yeah, let's go in. Guys, Gucci has some new stuff I haven't even seen before. Let's try this one on, that's gorgeous. Or the white one. They've got lots of classics, but also the new horsebit reissue. I wish it came with gold hardware as well. We got red and green. I mean, it's cool. Okay, I'm in love. Look at this tiny little, and it's see-through, and then we've got sparkles. Maybe we try that on too. That's gorgeous. That's a classic. Here we got an exotic one. Oh, Dionysus with a lot of bling. I'm all in. And a lizard one even. Wow. And lots of rainbow bags. Oh my god, look at this. Gorgeous ostrich. Little rainbow babies. Yeah guys, here we are with the new deco, art deco Gucci bag, and I love it. To be honest, this is the perfect bag for autumn and winter, if you ask me, because it's a beautiful burgundy. What I love about it is this vintage, these vintage vibes that it gives off, you know. It's very timeless, but it has some vintage vibes to it. And I mean, you have silver and gold hardware mixed together. Always love that. It's a beautiful shoulder bag. Like, this is Romina approved for autumn and winter. And I think the way you open it is you press. That's the inside. I love it. And I really like this closure. Look at this. Okay guys, and I really have to show you this one because it is super special. I didn't see it at first, but the SA's just shown me the details, and it's lizard. This is a lizard bag, and it's beautiful with a little see-through fabric there, and then you got all the blingy sparkles. I love that it's an exotic. Obviously that jacks the price up a little bit, but I think that's super cute as well. Goes well with my outfit. It's so dangerous whenever you wear an outfit and then try on bags and it looks good. You're like, I kind of want this. And guys, it comes with this beautiful shoulder strap. Oh, I love it. No words. Like, I honestly really like this one. What do you think? This is like a lizard. Lizard? Yeah, it's actually lizard, all the details, and then you got this beautiful see-through fabric. It's really special, right? You prefer this one? I mean, this is more practical, yeah. Right? But my heart is like, ooh, this is really special. Oh, guys, I just spotted this. This is a super mini Dionysus in pink python with gold hardware. You guys know how rare it is to find Dionysus with like 90% of Dionysus bags have silver hardware. To find one with gold hardware, wow, I love it. And obviously you can always just hold a mini, super mini Dionysus like a clutch, you know, super cute as well. I like it. love it. Yeah, what do you think? I like the vintage vibes of this one, but this is obviously a classic that will never go out of style. And I love all the crystals. Oh my god, okay. I love too much already. I love this little sheep. I want one of those. They've got lots of these, but I think the pink one is me, right? Yeah, guys, I really like the pink sheep. It's 1.5.
1500.
1500 for a pink sheep. Huh. But I also really, oh, you can see the pumpkins everywhere. We've seen pumpkin fields on the way here, so they're all ready to be harvested, I think. And I really like the little Gucci bag, the Python Gucci bag as well. Oh, Valentino, guys, and look how beautiful it is here. So they still got all the pink Barbie stuff in there, and I love those bags. And guys, yeah, it's all still in the name of Barbie. Let's see what they've got. Oh no, guys, they're closed as well. They got some really cool stuff in there, like all the little sparkly, shiny bags, but everything is closed. Look at this little baby. I love it with all the rainbow crystals there on the clasp, and this one is gorgeous too. Unfortunately, they're closed, guys, but there we can have a look inside. Yeah, and this is the cutest little Ralph Lauren shop. Look at this. It's gorgeous here. Okay, let's have a look. Love the patchwork teddy bear. All of this is very wild, wild west. I can live my Red Dead fantasy. This is really all in the name of cowboy style. And the actual Ralph Lauren. Let's have a look. Look at these bags. That's a nice one. Look at this, guys. I've never really looked at Ralph Lauren bags, but they've got even some crocodile pieces. Wow. Lots of colors. I love it. It's a beautiful little shop. I think this is one of their classics. Here's the little, we can try it on actually. This is the little tweed bag that caught my attention. And look, they got a little, you can sit out here. Just enjoy a little coffee, a Ralph Lauren coffee. I don't know why, but this one caught my attention. I have no idea about Ralph Lauren bags, guys. I don't know the names of them. Anything, if you know more, let us know. But for whatever reason, this is quite nice. Okay, guys, and Loewe. Let's have a look into Loewe. Lots of puzzle bags, and this is new. This puzzle bag with a nice little chain. This is nice for winter. Puffy bag. And I think this is one of their new bag designs as well. They don't have the new, what's the hyped bag called? Squish bag? I don't know what it's called. Seems like they don't have that one yet. Oh, nice little bucket. Oh, cute. Looks good with my outfit, wouldn't you say? It comes with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody or on your shoulder as well. I love that it's so understated. It's gorgeous. Very silent luxury. So the new bag is sold out already. It's so much in demand. This is a nice little bag for autumn and winter with the Loewe logo. And to be honest, the leather feels absolutely beautiful. Super soft and smooth. So that was it for today. I really hope you enjoyed it here in East Hamptons with us. I really like the little Gucci bag. Let me know what caught your eye. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day now. I might get a second coffee and a cake pop from Starbucks. And this might actually be my last cake pop.
Buy a whole cake for $5.
Okay, guys, and I would say cheers. I see you in London again. I can tell you what they want. Dinosaurs. Hello. Cheers. And yeah, guys, I see you again soon.